check out that flooring. It's 3/4 inch oak. It was installed, it's tongue and groove. It was installed probably 50 years ago. But that's not the most amazing thing in this flooring. It's got some of the most unbelievable buckling I've ever seen in the industry. Check out this bubble. That one there, that one's about 4 or 5 inches off the ground. Let me show you another one. Is that incredible or what? That's about 6 to 8 inches off the ground. That's the worst buckling I've ever seen. I don't know how well you can see this, but this would be considered normal buckling. Kind of get a feel for it. It's probably bubbling. That's probably a 1/2 inch, 3/4 of an inch bubble, and the whole thing is pretty wavy. But some of that other stuff, that's incredible. That's the most buckling I've ever seen in flooring, and that's a new floor. That's far from repair. That's a new floor.